Hey guys, it's Hannah here, and today I will be unboxing the March Little Bits box, and I've been waiting and waiting and waiting, and finally it is here, and I'm so excited to get into it and see everything with my own eyes. Now, I have seen all the sneak peeks, I know everything that's inside, but like I said, I haven't seen it myself yet. And it's been a while since all those sneaks have, gone up, so I might have forgotten something, so there might still be some surprises in here for me. We'll see, but also, as you can see, it's not actually a box that you see here. I mean, it's called the Little Bits box, but Lhey, the owner of Mommy Lhey Designs, she actually, for the international customer, she decided to put the stuff in an envelope because it would be easier, like, to ship and to fit into mailboxes and stuff. I think this was the reason, or because she ran out of boxes. I can't really remember, but because I am international, I'm from Sweden, I'm not really surprised to have this, but either way, all the goodies are still inside. It's just the packaging that's different, which I don't mind. So, let's get into this. Oh my goodness. Okay, so, oh, here it is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so yes, first let's do the planner. So, as usual, we have an A6 TN, and you can see here it's all with a custom design that Lhey has hand painted herself. And we have like a beige kind of band. It's really tight, as you can see, so it's, tight and holds everything together nicely. And here's the inside. You've seen this before if you've seen my unboxings before. There's ivory, regular paper, and craft paper in the inserts, blank, and 2 inserts are included, as you can see. So yeah, these colors are just really soft and nice and so pretty. I love the florals. But something really exciting for the April box is actually that it won't be an A6TN, it will actually be a B6TN, which is quite a lot bigger, I believe. I've never owned a B6TN, I've never even held one in my hand, so I'm not really sure how big it is. But I do know that it's bigger than an A6. And I'm so excited about that. That kit is gonna be so pretty with a lot of pastels, and I think it's like unicorn themed. So I'm so excited about that. Okay, but either way, this March box, I believe the theme was like kind of sleep, or like kind of goodnight theme, I guess. And oh wow, look, all of the smaller goodies are actually packed inside this really awesome pouch. Look at that. So I'm gonna put the papers aside for now, and I'm gonna get into this. Okay, so firstly, we have the pen matching to the kit, and this one is really cool, because look, it's like a rose or a flower, a blue flower like that, and it's silver, as you can see. And let's see, yes, you take this off. Wow, look at that. This tip is really cool. It's a really fine point, I believe, probably like 0.5 at least, maybe 0.4 even. And then you have the cap, just like so. That is so pretty. Oh, okay, so then let's see. Oh, it's packed. I don't even know where to begin, but okay, I'm gonna take, maybe I should just take everything out. It feels like all the glitter in this pouch. Maybe I should just take the pouch first since everything was inside the pouch. Okay, so this pouch is amazing. As you might know, all the boxes do come with a pouch. It's a staple these days. This one is amazing because all of the other ones are usually like a fabric pouch. The size is the same, but look at this! It's moving! Can you see that? And it's like gold and silver stars inside. And this is so cool. Yeah, I love this so much. This is so unique. So yeah, and it feels like it's inside the pouch, so it's gonna fall out, but it's not. It's like a double layer on the back here, and that's how it's kind of stuck in there. But this front side, it doesn't have any sequins in it. It's just this side, so you can still see everything very clearly what you put inside. Yeah, I love this so much. Alright, so now, oh yes, I have to get into the washi. I mean, the washi is just one of my faves. You guys know this already. And this washi I've been so excited about because it's so pretty. Okay, look at this. Oh my goodness, look, it's like a kind of peachy pink background with really nice like scattered dots, and it has rose gold foiled bows. How pretty is this? the Little Bits box has come with foiled washi before. I believe it has, but it was like a long time ago, like a year I think, because for as long as I've been receiving the box, there has not been a foiled washi, so this is really special, guys. And it's so pretty. I mean, I love it so, so much. Okay, so then something else I've been so excited about. Oh my gosh. We have the sticky notes, and look at that. It's a really nice design. You get quite a nice amount, and it's foiled on every single sheet. And it says notes here in rose gold foiling with the little bow that's the same as on here. Okay, so then let's see, what should I take here? Okay, maybe I really want to get into this one because it's so cute. Look at this. Okay, so the backing, once again, it's a bunch of little sheep and they're so cute, and stars. You know, since it's kind of like sleep themed, of course there had to be sheep in this. And look, this keychain is adorable. And look, the little sheep has a little heart on there. It's so cute, and little blush cheeks. And it is the same on the opposite side. And it's kind of like a plush, like it's stuffed with something. So it's really squishy and nice with the gold lobster clasp. So you can hang this onto your planner just like this. Or what I like to do with these TNs is that I actually put it like on the spine here. Because if you hang it here, it's kind of too long, but here it's not. So I really like this. And just for a bit of comparison, this keychain or this kind of charm is not as big as last month's. As you can see, this is the llama that came in the February box, and it's super adorable. All right, so now I think I should take the die cuts because, I mean, these are always super fun. And it comes with a lot. So let's see here. We have this little girl sleeping. She's super adorable with that eye mask. And we have a shooting star, a little bow. We have some books. I've seen people using this one quite a lot, and I can see why, because this little illustration is super adorable. This little girl. Here's a quote. What a wonderful world. Oh, that's adorable. I love the colors on that one too. We have a little bear. And we have a little like book or planner or journal or whatever you want it to be. We have the sheep, the same as the one over here. And we have another sheep. Look at that, it's like a unicorn sheep, a uni sheep. That's adorable with a little bow tie. We have this cloud and rainbows. And this super adorable little girl, and she's holding a planner. And we have some beautiful florals. Lhey does like the best florals. And we also have this girl with a teddy bear, super adorable. More florals and more florals. This is the same as the planner. And here it says PJs all day, every day. We have a little moon. And here's another quote one. Let's see what it says. Design the life you want. I love that. I love that with a pen too. And a glass of milk before bed. We have a cloud with a heart. We have these beautiful bows here. Oh, look, it's a little cookie. Oh gosh, cookie with some crumbles. And here's a word, love and plan. And the backing, once again, you can see is really pretty, really cute. Oh, this is such a cute box, guys. Okay, let's see. Let's take the stamps next. So, oh, this one is like full of stamps. Wow, look how many that is. So we have this adorable girl with the planner once again. Some functional words, kind of checklist stuff. Here says choose to be better today, design the life you want, dream a better dream. And then we have this little girl with a teddy bear once again. I love these like quotes, but also the functionals. You get a lot of different types of stamps, and it's a really tiny stamp set, but you still get so much. That's amazing. Oh my gosh, and then we have these. These are so awesome, and I've been I think I've been actually the most excited for these. Like the one thing that I've been thinking about the most once I received this kit are these. Look at this, guys. These are shaker stickers. Look at that! I love this so much. So as you can see, they are quite puffy, so they're like filled with air. And they have gold sequins inside. I love these so much. I mean, like this box, also with this pouch, like so creative. So let's take a closer look here. So the first one says, yay. Then we have this pink one with adorable bow. We have this girl that's sleeping. And we have, let's see here, we have this kind of peach one with a girl and a teddy bear. We have an angel and a cloud. That's so cute. And this one with the book stack and the glasses and the sheep. I love this so much. The first thing I thought when these were sneak peeked, or I guess revealed on Lhey's Instagram and Facebook. Here's the backing, by the way. That's really pretty, isn't it? The first thing I thought was, my goodness, I am definitely gonna make paper clips out of these because they're so puffy. I won't really be able to use them in my planner. Or I guess I could, but I guess you could put it like on the dashboard, which I might do with the bigger ones here. But especially these like rounded ones, I was like, okay, I'm definitely making a paper clip out of that. So there are stickers, so I mean, you just peel them off and put it whatever you want, I guess. These are so fun. And I've seen some people making like shaker paper clips, but it looks kind of hard and I haven't had the tools in order to do that. So this is perfect. Like it's already made. I just need the paper clip and to put it on there. So this is awesome. I am absolutely in love with these. I can't stop raving about them. I'm sorry, but I mean, look, it's amazing. All right. Let's see what's left here. Ooh! Oh my goodness! I have to take a look at these. Wow, this is heavy. These are the bookmarks, or like, usually we get a paper clip or sometimes a few paper clips, but instead of paper clips, we have these magnetic bookmarks. Look at that! Oh, and these are actually quite a lot bigger than I thought they would be. Not that that's a bad thing. It's just sometimes when you see in pictures, you can't really get the sizing right until you actually have it in your own hands. And we get 3 of them, not 1, but 3. That's amazing. And it's with Lhey's beautiful florals. Oh my goodness, so pretty. So I think, I think that I am going to take this one, the yellow one. Wow, that's a lot of magnetic. I feel like these are gonna be really good, like to put even on thick stuff. So that's what I'm gonna try out here. So for example, inside the planner, and let's say you want to have all the ivory papers collected, then I'm pretty sure that this will work. Oh yeah, it sits there very nicely. Look at that. This is really awesome and so pretty. Oh, I love that so much. All right, so now let's take a look at these stickers, saving the best for last, or almost. We have the papers, of course, as well. Here's the backing of the stickers. That's really cute, by the way. And okay, let's see here. We have the girls. I love these sheets where you get a lot of the same, so you can use it over and over again. Of course, this is rose gold foiled because that's the main foiling, I guess, in this kit. But there's also been silver and gold, so I guess it's kind of mixed, but the washi was rose gold foiled, so yeah. But here we have some functionals and also these really cute tabs. Look at that, or tags, I mean. Oh, that's adorable. We have these day covers and months. Oh, that's awesome. As well as these circles with foiling. I love these, and the colors are so pretty. And we have the checklists and some kind of headers, I guess, and kind of washi strips. We have some icons. Oh, I love these kind of layered ones. Kind of washi again, and some deco. Love it. Oh, and we have the dates and the days of the week as well. Oh my gosh. Look, it's alpha stickers. Oh, I love alpha stickers because I don't really have very nice handwriting. So I love to use stickers to make nice, well, headers, or sometimes I put it on cards. Yeah, that's awesome. And then we have the full boxes and checklist and some days of the week once again. And it looks like kind of tape. You know, that's really cool. I love that. And these colors are so soft and sweet and just so nice to look at. Lhey is just so great at mixing colors. And that was it. That was, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 sticker sheets. That's what we get in every single Little Bits box. Isn't that amazing? I mean, it's a lot of stickers and they're so pretty. Oh, I love it so much. Alright, so let's see here if I can get into the papers. So very first, oh gosh. Oh! The card was at the bottom! Of course, this is the card that always comes with the kit. And it says bloom where you are planted. And on the other side, we have everything that's included, which I've just gone through everything with you. And also there's the link for the digital goodies, which you always get more than what you get in the box. You get digital files that you can download. There's like digital stamps and die cuts and more papers and sometimes even digital stickers. So there's a lot in there, but this card is so pretty. Oh, and this was like a protector thing. That's really nice that she put that in there to protect the papers. So let's see, I think I want to take the special papers last. So here is the first actual regular paper. Oh, this baby blue is so pretty, and the hearts, super cute. And the other side, we have these gorgeous florals and... oh, I feel like it's upside down. We have the sheep. That's adorable. The sheepicorns. Or maybe it's lambmicorns. Whatever you want to call them. And the other side. Ooh, wow. That's the same as the card. That's so nice. I love this so much. And the gold, like, glitter stripe right through it. That's amazing. I love that so much. And we have this gorgeous floral pattern, the same as a planner, but on a polka dot black and white background. That's gorgeous. And the other side, oh, yay, it's the same as this one. This might be my favorite pattern from this box, but all of them are gorgeous. It's really hard to pick, really. So, let's see. We also have these special papers, which from the looks of it, it's one acetate and one vellum. Oh yeah, it is? Oh my gosh. Okay, so here's the vellum. Let's see if I can take a paper that's kind of... do we have a plain one? Here. Look at that. That's so gorgeous. So this one has... it's kind of like this almost tracing stuff all throughout. Super gorgeous. I love to play around with these. And we also have this acetate. My goodness, this might be my favorite acetate that Lhey has ever come out with. It's rose gold foiled dots. I think it's the same dots as this, but they're foiled rose gold and they're so pretty. I love acetates like this that has a lot of see-through because they make really great like layering pieces. Look at that! Isn't that so cute? Oh, I love it so much. Alright guys, so this was everything for this video. This gorgeous March Little Bits box is just... well, amazing, but then again, all of them are, so... also, I want to let you know that the slots for the May box is open from May 1st to May 20th. So if you want to subscribe to receive this gorgeous box, of course it will be with a different theme, but still everything will be designed by Mommy Lhey herself. So if you do want to subscribe, you won't regret it, then definitely do that because they do sell out. But if you don't want to subscribe though, and you just want to buy a one-time box, then you can do that as well on the Mommy Lhey website. And then you can also use my code, Hannah10ml, because I am a PR girl, I can give that code to you, to get 10% off your order. And that code can also give you 10% off any order from Mommy Lhey, from the Mommy Lhey website. So definitely do that if you want to save some money. Also, do you want to see me making the paper clips out of these? Like if you want a DIY or tutorial, it's pretty easy, I should say. But if you do want to see that, you can let me know also in the comments, or I will also post a little poll up in the info card you can see in the corner here. And you can just vote yes or no if you want to see a tutorial of me making paper clips out of these awesome stickers. So yeah. But now I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I hope to see you next time. Bye for now!